Hey guys, welcome back to another part of the LKS navigation tutorial. In the last video, we went over all the channels in Discover Free tier, and in this video, we're going to go over all the additional channels that get unlocked when you upgrade to Gold tier. Again, we're going to go from top of the sidebar all the way to the bottom. And I'm not going to go over any of the channels that I already went over in the last video. So if you had any questions about a specific channel that I'm not going over in this video, make sure to refer to the last video. As we covered in the intro video, Gold covers everything stocks, options, and crypto. Once you upgrade, automatically you'll unlock the premium announcement channels. This channel, you can find all the announcements that are specifically pertaining to those who are paying members. Next, if you want to get certain alerts from certain analysts, make sure you go to Substock Alerts and Crypto Alerts. These are going to be the pings that you get from Discord so you don't miss out on any trade idea. And again, all you have to do is click on the emoji to get the alert assigned to you. The majority of the alerts are available to Gold tier, and if it's for Platinum and up, it will be labeled here. Alrighty, now that you sub to the notable alerts, now let's look at the alert channels. So firstly, I want to differentiate between the LKS analyst alerts and the trader bot alerts and the differences. A really big thing that LKS cares about is the quality of our analysts. We really prioritize quality over quantity. And if you've been in multiple servers in the past, there's definitely servers out there that will have 20 different analyst alerts, but they're often all linked to a bot, and the actual trader that is posting those alerts are not even actually active in the server. Here in LKS, we want to really make sure that the people that are alerting in LKS are active and accessible in chat. As you can see here, the alerts are differentiated based on time frame. So for people who think short-term trading is too risky or don't have the time to short-term trade, long-term alerts is there for you. We have around 2 to 3 day trade alerters that are alerting in this channel, and I want to say almost over 5 active swing trade alerters that are going to be alerting in this channel. For the long-term alerts, we're looking at time frame holds for 2 to 5 years, or sometimes forever if it's in your retirement account. Day trade alerts, by its name, it's going to be a day trade. The time frame is going to be either a quick 1 to 5 minute scalp or a few hours in and out. Make sure you read up on PDT rule. You have to have at least 25K and up in your portfolio to be able to day trade more than 3 times in 5 consecutive days without being marked as a pattern day trader. Or you have to change your trading account to a cash account. Swing trade alerts is anything obviously that is held over 1 day. So some of the alerts in here can be as short as a 2-day swing and as long as a 1 to 3 week swing. Next, I'm going to quickly go over a feature that is exclusive and hard-coded to the LKS server. Like I mentioned before, in swing trade alerts, we have over 5 active analysts that is alerting on a daily basis. So as you can see, it can get a little bit confusing because it's all in this. So as you can see here, it can get a little confusing because everyone's alerting in one channel, but don't worry. If you go over here up to threads, you'll see that every swing trade analyst alerts is being organized into their individual threads. Let's say after some period of time, you figure out that you like these 3 analysts' trading styles and you like their trade ideas and alerts, you can join their threads. Now their channels are going to be nested, very organized underneath swing trade alerts. So the whole idea is that you can DIY your sidebar to your liking. So Paper Profit's trading style is a combination of day and swing, but personally I would say he has more day trades than swing trades. So again, if you're completely new to options trading, I wouldn't follow his trades at first. Kumo Swings, as her name suggests, mainly alerts swing trades on a 2-week to a month time frame. Her trades are a lot more easier to follow, and because of the longer time frame, you don't have to constantly check your phone every single day. Okay, now that the alerts are out of the way, let's go in market hours. So the analyst grades is going to give you the daily analyst stock upgrades and downgrades. This is powered by trading bot service that LKS is subscribed to. Daily watch list. You can go to the daily watch list every day before pre-market to get a broad overview of what's going on in the stock market, any upcoming earnings, Our co-founder Brick will usually post the stocks he's watching and any major headlines that we should be watching out for market catalysts. The daily watch list that Trendsetters posts is quite visually easy to follow. If you want to learn more how to use it, they have this how to use guide that you can click into, but generally they're just giving you the support and resistance levels for a long or short trigger. And they post a recap on their levels and how successful their levels are. All right, now let's go to Market Chat where all the chatter happens. This is going to be your main hub for all things stocks and options market related. Trading Floor is basically the same thing as Market Chat, but it's only accessible to notable traders and trusted members. So you can often refer to Trading Floor for major headlines or any major trade ideas and analysis posted by your LKS notable traders. DD Trade Ideas is going to be forum style. This is where Austin posts his weekly DD notes. Highly encourage you to read that every Sunday night. The next big category I'm not going to go in depth to, but essentially all of these channels underneath AI bot resources are going to be AI powered analysis and notifications. Queries is going to be an interactive channel that you can actually find the commands here in the pinned messages. Our crypto community is comparatively smaller than the rest of the options and stocks community. We have 2 people alerting in crypto trade ideas at the moment. Again, sign up for the crypto futures alert up here. And then we also have crypto forum for any questions or trade ideas. Now, as you can see here in the education category, you will get an additional bonus, Brick Substacks. My co-founder Brick Trades will post all of his educational material in this channel that's dedicated to him. So be sure to check that out if you're trying to learn more. The rest is all Discover. Finally, down here in the streams and voice category, you're gonna have these additional stage channels, stream channels, and voice channels. Alrighty, so that concludes this part of the tutorial. We went over everything in gold tier. An added note, if you do sign up for gold, an intro to options PPT guide is automatically included as a downloadable file when you upgrade on wap.com. Again, you can go to upgrade to premium for more information there. I hope this video helped, and the next video we're going to go over everything that is included in Plat. And in the next video, we're going to go over all the additional channels that you unlock when you upgrade to Plat. So I'll see you in the next video. Welcome to LKS, and see you in chat. Bye!